Drop the gun!
Drop it! Do it now!
Now! Put the gun on the ground!
Good. 48.
I can't fucking see him, LT!
Okay, right there. Front of car.
He's pointing at him.
Hold up. Ceasefire.
Just so you know, we got a guy down over there. Tack loading. Check yourselves.
Let's check. You guys good?
Let's check.
Stepping over to you guys. Let me step in front of you, bro. Rifle. Drop it! He's running!
Watch out for the victim! Never slow down! Watch out for the victim!
Drop the fucking gun!
Drop it!
Let me see your fucking
hands
hands!
up! That's away from us! He's running!
40 hands!
Go back! Over here. I'll have to stand, see? Yeah, good for me, dog. Ready, LT? Drop him! Move! Drop him!
40 hands!
Let him go! Cover me, dog. Cover me, hey. I'm gonna step up and taser.
40 hands!
Hey, Garrett, I'm gonna taser him. You cover me? Get there! Taser! No, resist! No! Yeah!
You guys are not gonna fuck.
Yeah! It's off!
Help me! Hold off, guys. Hold off. Help me! Please help me, guys!
Shots fired. Next report.
Okay, on the south side of the property, right along the fence, behind the shed that's being built, they're fighting for the gun now.
We're moving up now.
Walking out towards you towards the north. Got two subjects. Now he's walking towards the south, trying to jump the fence, over the fence, and running southbound. You want me to stay with the guy in the white guy without the shirt?
There's a guy with the white pants. He's our offender, and we're checking on the other guys to see if they have any victims.
Okay, he's confronting a guy, the neighbor, in the backyard. Neighbor's lying on the ground. He's standing over him at this time.
There's some fun to hit, neighbor.
Gonna be just south of where you guys are at. Fighting with him on the ground. Once you get to that wall, you can look right over and you'll see him.
And you put in the backyard.
10-9.
We're in need of 40 to the backyard. Individuals will drop the gun.
Okay, he's in the backyard of 4616. Gonna be one house south of where you guys were at. Holding the subject by the neck.
Drop him! Move! Drop him! 40 in! Let him go! Cover me, dog. Cover me, hey. I'm gonna step up and taser. 40 in!
Okay, looks like you just pulled something else.
Hey, Garrett, I'm gonna taser. You cover me? Get there! Taser! Number 6! No! Sheriff!
You guys are not even fucking. It's off!
It's off!
Hold off, guys. Hold off. Help me! Help me!